Wait, they told you organizing was dead, that people stopped caring, that community doesn't matter anymore. But if organizing is dead, then who fought for the rights you have today? Who marched? Who taught? Who fed people? Who built movements? For 22 years, the FTP movement has been doing the work, building community, creating leaders, educating people, and turning struggle into action. Now a new generation is rising. Freedom fighters, organizers, movement lawyers, scholars, cultural workers. And from June 26th through June 28th, they're coming together for something bigger than a conference. The Organizing is the New Cool Summit, a multi-generational strategy session for action, liberation, political education, and movement building. Limited audience, exclusive film screening, June 26th through June 28th. Register now because the future won't organize itself.